Hello and welcome back to Rob's PC Workshop. Today we're going to be configuring a WAN connection using PPP in Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is a fairly long video, so bear with me here. First thing we want to do is upgrade the WAN interfaces on router 0. So we're going to access router 0. You got to turn it off. Remove the 4AS WAN module. Add a WIC 2T. In slot 0. Zoom in here. Make sure I put that in slot 0. That'd be slot 2. So slot 0. And slot 1. Okay. So now we want to reconnect serial 000 to serial 001. Okay, so connect R0 serial 000 to R2 serial 001, and then connect R0 serial 001 to R3 serial 0001. Okay, so now we want to reconfigure WAN links on router 0. Okay, so I'm going to turn our device on. Go to the command line interface as it boots up. Okay, so it wants to configure interface serial 000, and then IP address 172.16.3.6. So now we want to type in IP address 172.163.3.6 0 255.255.255.252. Alright. Now I want to make sure it's encapsulation PPP. Exit. Interface serial 001 172 .16.3.9 and then encapsulation PPP clock 64,000. So now we need to configure a default static route using serial 01. So now we want to issue our IP route to our serial port 010, like I said. Alright. Okay. So now it wants us to use the command prompt on PC0 to ping the web server and all our PCs. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that. We're going to set up additional devices for a new branch network. We're going to add a new 2811 router. Between ISP and switch 4. I guess it's switch 5 in this case. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 5. So we're going to add a WIC 2T module in slot 0. Of course, the device always comes turned on. So, network connect serial 001 on the new router to ISP serial 001. So, and then connect FA00 on the new router. Connect FA00 on the new router to switch 4. Okay, connect router serial 010 to ISP. Router 0. Something's not right here. It says to connect router R0S010. Okay. Configure interface 0001 with the following. Interface 000010 IP address 10.1.1.2255. Okay. So now, I think I did that right. It said, connect 00 on the new router to internet service provider. Okay, so I missed that part. Let me get that. So now we're going to configure the new router. Use the config tab for the new router. Okay. Use the config tab for the new router, change the display name. So alright. Configure the interface 0001 with IP address 10.1 1.6 and 255. Now we're going to configure interface FA00 with IP address 192.168.6.1, and this is a /24 network. It's going to have a little more address range. So we're going to configure the default static route using the 0000 as the interface. Alright. So now we need to set up additional devices for the new wireless network. We need to add a Linksys WRT 300N wireless router between R3, low router R3. So we needed to find a Linksys. Where is it? WRT 300N. Okay. Add that below router 3. Connect the internet port on Linksys device F01. Click. Okay. Router R3, configure interface F01 as follows. And that's a /24 network. So on the wireless router, we need to configure some things. Name it wireless router 4. Configure the internet interface with the default gateway. One 192.168.7.1. And then IP address a /24 network. Voila. Alright. Configure the LAN interface with the IP address. Also a /24 network. Alright. So now it wants to test connectivity. Huh. It appears that my cable isn't working correctly. Pretty sure it's supposed to be a crossover. Alright, so continuing on, I've configured the new wireless network. And unfortunately, I'm having problems sending packets. I don't know why. I've followed everything to a T and it's still giving me errors. But I'm going to continue on, so we're going to add the following access list to router 2. As you can see, I'm just putting this access list in. Had a little syntax error, had to work out, but got it all figured out. Moving along. Just putting this access list in here. Now there's a lot of testing connectivity, and it appears that even though I did everything as asked, I still have some connectivity issues, so I'm not sure what's wrong here. But that is how you configure WAN connection using PPP, you know. Pretty basic. Set up your ACLs, add in your devices, and encapsulate PPP. I showed you how to add some wicks, interface some serial ports, and stuff like that. So, hope that's been helpful. Have a nice day.